honest. So we go to take the boats. I think people are going in already or going out, I don't know. This is the boat? Yeah? Yes! I think all these people want to take the boats, I guess. The right person to show your ticket before you enter.
Hallo.
The right person. Oh, you try it right.
Ja, welkom.
Danke. So this is the boat, how it looks. Top. This is the restaurant of the boat. But here is the people coming up. Here. Nach oben. We go up from here. Up. You see have bars and restaurants here, so you choose where you want to be, you know. I think you need to find a spot in the front. You know? Take it easy, man. I think the spot here is too close, so we can take a spot here. So from the boat, you see, the people are still queuing in to join, and then I don't know if there's still a position in the front, you know. Yeah, some people are there. So some people are there in the center. No. The boat side start to show and relax and feel vibe outside. So I'll just join you to look around Frankfurt from the up side, you know. Here you see the skyline, you know. We don't have much taller building, but at least you see the city activities going on. I think the boat is done loading, so it's time to move. This bus has been here, this fan bus. They play football as competition. It's been here. So on the other background of the picture, you can see the boat we are taking. But this is another one, you know. Very soon this one is gonna move. I just found an ice cream spot here. The boat is making announcements of leaving, you know what I'm saying? So in the front you can buy drinks, see the beer going on here. This is River Main.
On your right is the southern part of Frankfurt called Sachsenhausen, famous for its picturesque old buildings and not least for its apple wine.
This house has with the clock. This one have also with clock.
The Church of the Three Kings. This parish was one of the first to embrace the Protestant faith after the Reformation, and the first Protestant minister was employed here as early as 1531.
Vor uns liegt die alte Brücke. Erst
Erstmals Johann Wolfgang von Goethe beschreibt in Dichtung und Wahrheit: Wärts zog meine Blicke nach sich. Und wenn auf dem Brückenkreuz der goldene Hahn im Sonnenschein glänzte, so war es mir immer eine erfreuliche Empfindung. In Frankfurt geht die Kunst übrigens auch ins Wasser. Der Portikus etwa rechter Hand an der alten Brücke, gebaut nach Entwürfen von Christoph Meckler und finanziert von der Stiftung Giersch, präsentiert junge, zeitgenössische Kunst. Ein Hingucker beim hindurch erkennen kann.
Ahead of Brücke, the old bridge, first mentioned in documents from the 13th century.
This is the old bridge.
For more than 600 years, this was the only bridge in Frankfurt, and the bridge toll ensured that Frankfurt's coffers were filled at all times.
The bridge is 600 years.
Frankfurt's great poet Johann Wolfgang von Goethe writes about the old bridge. Best of walking on this big bridge across the Main. The beautiful views up and downstream caught my eye, and when the golden rooster on top of the bridge's cross gleamed in the sunlight, it never failed to delight me.
Linke Hand das Wohngebiet Weseler Werft.
And the flags
Attraktives Wohngebiet.
of different countries.
An beiden Ufern entstanden, nahezu symmetrisch angelegt, elegante, mediterran anmutende Wohngebäude.
Then they are hosting the Euro
In ihrer
2024.
Grundform identisch bezieht jedes Gebäude durch unterschiedliche Gestaltungsdetails und Materialien.
Yeah, the song here is
Der imposante rote Backsteinbau auf der rechten Seite, dessen zahlreiche Goldzinnen bei Sonnenschein mächtig funkeln, ist das
yes, so
Haus. Aus seinem oberen Stockwerk heraus bietet es einen wirklich fantastischen Blick auf ganz Frankreich.
have a very beautiful apartments here.
Up ahead on the right,
Like very
you
modern,
can see the district
And they are
known as the Deutsch Herrenhof.
almost the same kind of
This
building.
area has been newly developed and renovated into attractive residences and
Yeah,
office
you
buildings.
see the residence here.
On the left embankment, there is a similar new development.
This
The
new
residential
development
estate Weseler Werft.
is very beautiful.
Both at materials.
Yeah, different shape of the house,
imposing red
but different
brick tower
design.
on the right-hand side is the five-star Main Plaza Hotel.
This is a 5-star
The
Main
golden
Plaza hotel.
pinnacles of the hotel often gleam in the sunlight, and unbeatable views of Frankfurt's skyline can be seen from the upper floors of the towers.
In sich verdrehten Hochhaus samt Groundscraper zu einem Gesamtensemble. Das 201 Meter hohe Gebäude entwarf das Wiener Architektenbüro Himmelblau. Am 18. März 2015 wurde das Gebäude der EZB offiziell eingeweiht und beherbergt nun über 2000 Mitarbeiter. Direkt am Ufuße der EZB befindet sich das Restaurant Osten mit einem Gebäude, welches einen alten Verladekran integriert und die Basis für die Terrasse des Gebäudes bildet. Und die Osttafelbrücke eingeweiht und somit den Verkehr übergeben.
Frankfurt's newest bridge is the Osthabenbrücke, the East Harbour Bridge.
This is
Together
Frankfurt
with the
newest
adjacent
bridge.
Onto Bridge, the East Harbour Bridge serves to connect Frankfurt's East End with Sachsenhausen in the south.
Contain
It features 3 lanes
Frankfurt
of road
East
traffic, as
and
well as
South.
lanes for cyclists and pedestrians. Designed
East and
by the
South.
architect Ferdinand Heider, the suspended steel deck arch bridge was completed and inaugurated in December 2013, and its total construction costs are estimated at around 42 million euros.
Geschlagen.
Like it was burnt.
Von und nach Osteuropa über den Main-Donau-Kanal. Übrigens kann man im
ship is
Osthafen wunderbare Jugendstilarchitektur.
Yeah, cruise ship also. This one is more exotic. You can stay here for some days.
In front of us
It has
is
rooms.
the entrance to the city's largest inland port,
Someone is
the
waving.
East Harbour. This harbour was built 100 years ago at the cost of 50 million gold marks, the equivalent of about 2 billion euros today. The harbour
it is.
consists of 2 docks and a third turning bay. Cargoes are sand, gravel and recycling materials such as matured timber. During the last years, strenuous efforts were made to restructure and modernise the East Harbour in order to make it compatible with the requirements of modern technology and logistics.
The building itself just...
This will ensure Consell Bridge, whose arches are decorated by pretty Art Nouveau elements.
No more nothing over there.
See that construction crane? It's moving. Oh no, it's not moving. It looked a little bit like it was moving, but it's not.
No, it's a guy.
Okay.
The Gerbermühle used to be the summer residence of Johann Jakob von Willem, a Frankfurt banker. When Johann Wolfgang von Goethe visited the area in 1814, he was a guest in the Willemer house. The poet, who was already 65 at the time, also met Marianne, the young wife of Willemer. Goethe and Marianne became intimate friends, and they were inspired to write some of their loveliest poems. When Goethe later published the resulting poetry cycle, the West Easterly Divan, he omitted to mention that several of the poems had in fact been written by Marianne von Willemer. A wind chime depicting Goethe and Marianne stands on top of the Gerbermühle Hotel. The entrance hall of the hotel features a bust of the Privy Councillor Goethe.
There's park over there and there's river. You can even climb down. Climb down and have
Die
fun.
Staustufe Offenbach ist
Oh,
eine der Schleusen, die
Germany
den
is
Rhein
beautiful.
Wow, it's nice air.
Charlie Dickens. All of a sudden it's raining. Now it's raining, everybody is leaving the ship. So we're gonna go to the shore to Hello. Maybe here it's okay, yeah? So, we ran from up to come here. Yeah, but it's okay. It's no more raining. I was thinking it's gonna rain heavily, so a lot of people ran away.
You can see the unique skyline of the city of Frankfurt. Its 40 or so skyscrapers have led to Frankfurt being nicknamed Flying. The skyscraper at the building top is the Messerturm, the Trade Fair Tower. The round tower with the area is the Main Tower.
Guys, I hope you enjoyed the view, although we are still in the ship. still in the ship, but very soon we're gonna get back to the station and then alight. So nothing much. Yeah, this is Frankfurt by the view of the river mine. The boat is loud, so loud inside. Yeah, it's so loud inside. But it's fine, we already arrived. But this place, the Euro sign, yeah, we're back. So people are about to go down, getting ready. Hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you like it. Give us thumbs up and comment in the comment section what you like us to do next. Okay? Yeah, have fun and then enjoy. See you in my next video.